Here it's gonna be the whole time. Passengers, put your feet on that plate, and only time you got to move your feet from this position is when the snowmobile is stopped and you start to get off. If the engine is on, never do like this, because if you touch the speed here, bad situation. So directly when you sit on the snowmobile, put your feet there it should be. Very simple. We have some controls over here. The first one is very simple, that start and stop. So before you start the engine, you're gonna put it up, and then we're going to start the engine. The orange button here. No gear is automatic. Some persons would like to have their thumb here. I prefer to have my thumb here. It's more comfortable and I have a better grip. And you can see how much I have to move before the snowmobile starts to move. Now it starts. So this one is very kind. You don't have to be scared. So the first time when you sit up on your snowmobile, test it. Where is the point? So the snowmobile is starting to move. Here we have it. Slowly and nice and easy. And when you're going to stop the engine, it's just the red button again. And that's it. Simple.
And is there a heater?
We are coming to that point. Then we know how we're going to speed up, but we also need to brake, pull the brakes. And that is on the left side. And you have fingers and that kind of gloves. Do you have the same model?
Yes.
Okay. Then you put your gloves here.
Okay.
Fingers at least as motorcycle. At least 2 fingers. Åtminstone 2 fingrar på bromsen. Always hold your brake on your brakes. Because if something happens, we don't know. Tree is coming a little bit too far, or you're going to drive a little bit too close to the tree, because we're going through the forest also and over 2 lakes. So if you push too much on the brakes, on the speed up for the engine, and you are using the brakes systems is powerful than the engine. So even if you have maximum for a gas and you pull the brakes, it's going to slow down. It's a security thing. It's really good. Headlights we're not going to use today because it's daylight, so there's no problem. And now we're going to the chapter about more security. Each time when you're sitting on the snowmobile and before you got to start, put it around your hand. Why? Simple. If something happens and you're falling out, this one follows you. Oops, it stops. Great. No more dangers. Or it's going to be not going to be so escalated. So then you know why. And then we're going to look at the screen. The heater here for your hands is on the left button. Down is low, up is higher, and the left side it will also be the same on the screen. So here you see that mark in the rubber, that will be medium. So when we push up here, so it change. Now it's going to be maximum up here. It's going to be so warm for you. So therefore we put it in the medium place. And then also for the speed up here, it's on the right side. It's on the right side. And on the right side also as well on the screen. And then we put it up. And here you're going to burn your thumb, because it's it's maximum. So we start with the medium. Is in the middle.